Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I, Tanu Shrivastava, going to explain the topic hardware and software. Hardware and software are interdependent. They work with the help of each other. They cannot work individually. Hardware is the part of computer that we can see and touch. All the parts of computer is considered as the hardware. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, that is the hardware. The hardware is divided into three categories. Input devices. We know that computer has no IQ. It needs instructions to do the work. So we use input devices to enter the instructions into the computer system. There is the list of input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter the instruction in form of number and text. Scanner. Scanner is used to convert document into digital form. Webcam. Webcam is the device that is attached with the monitor. It is used for live chat and the video conferencing. Light pen is the pointing device that is used to select any object or write on the screen. Mouse is also called the pointing device. It is used to select any object or open any application on the computer screen. Output devices. Output devices is used to display the processed information. Monitor. Monitor is an output device that displays processed information. Speaker is used to listen the sound from the computer system. Printer. Printer is used to take the printout from the computer system. The information display on the monitor, that is called the soft copy, but when we take the printout, that is called the hard copy. Storage device. Storage device is used to store the information for the longer period of time. This is the list of storage devices. Software. Software is the set of instructions given to the computer to do the particular work. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is mandatory for the computer system. In lack of system software, our computer cannot get started. When we start the computer, you have seen that Windows logo moves on the screen. That is the system software and also called the operating system. Operating system is the part of system software that helps the computer to do the work. It helps in processing and control overall operation of the computer system. Application software. Application software is used according to our requirement. Application software is used for the specific purpose. Word processing software. It is used to prepare the document. We can decorate the text in different manner. We can change the color, we can change their style, we can change their size. Everything we can do with the word processing. Presentation software. It is used to create the presentation. Presentation is the collection of slides that helps us to convey our idea and information to the multiple person. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is the software that is used for the calculation. It is the combination of rows and columns. Multimedia software. Multimedia is the combination of audio, video, text and image. Using that, we can do some interactive work for the entertainment purpose, like the movie. One software in Windows Movie Maker that helps us to create, using that we can create our own multimedia documents. Multimedia graphics design software is used to design the images. With the help of this software we can do the drawing, we can merge the images like that.